everyone, I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project, where I show you how to make delicious vegan Indian food. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the most yummy restaurant quality dal. So let's get cooking. For my dal, I'm going to start soaking around half a cup of Toor Dal in some cold water for around 20 to 30 minutes. Once my dal is soaked, I'm going to pressure cook it till it's soft. You can also boil your dal for around 40 to 45 minutes till it's completely mushy. Here I have a pan on medium-high heat to which I've added around 8 tablespoons of sunflower oil. You can feel free to use any oil of your choice as long as it's flavorless. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add my cumin seeds. Let this sizzle for around 20 seconds till you can get a really strong fragrance of the cumin being all toasty. At this point, I'm going to add some chopped up ginger, 1 finely chopped Thai green chili, and a clove of garlic chopped. You can adjust the chilies according to your spice preference. I'm going to give all of this a quick mix and cook this for around 20 to 30 seconds or until the garlic and ginger turn golden brown in color. I'm going to add my chopped up onions. I'm also going to salt my onions to speed up the cooking process. I'm going to cook this till they are light brown and translucent. This is what we're looking for. At this point, I'm going to add my chopped tomatoes, around a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm going to give everything a really nice mix and cook until the tomatoes turn mushy. As you can see, my tomatoes look super cooked and mushy. At this point, I'm going to add in my cooked lentils. Give this a mix. Salt to taste. And add some chopped cilantro. Once my dal begins to bubble, I'm going to reduce heat to low and simmer for around 5 to 6 minutes. To enhance the flavor, I'm going to do a separate tempering or tadka. To a small pan on high heat, I'm going to add around half a tablespoon of sunflower oil, 1 chopped up garlic, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. I'm going to let this sizzle till the garlic turns golden brown. If you want to know more about what a tadka or tempering is, I have a whole video on that as well. Doing this is going to make your dal taste so good. Once again, give everything a mix, and that's it. That's your dal. So as you can see, it's super easy to make dal at home. You can serve it up with some quinoa or rotis or some delicious basmati rice. For my video on how to make perfect rice, please click right here. Please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what Indian dishes you'd like to see vegan version of. And I'll see you another time with another recipe. Bye!